Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're giving my children's playroom a complete transformation. Over time, a playroom can get lots of use and become messy, needing a deep clean and a fresh new layout. I'll also be creating a custom kids play market right inside to give the kids an amazing functional space for creative play. Whether you're looking for smart storage solutions, furniture inspiration, or simply looking for motivation to tackle your own room makeover, I hope today's video gives you plenty of ideas to make a space feel organized, fun, and ready for everyday life. As always, thank you so much for being here, and thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Most people already know Lowe's as the ultimate destination for heavy-duty tools, building supplies, hardware, and renovation materials. However, I was genuinely surprised by how many incredible home decor, stylish furniture, and kids' lifestyle items they carry on their website and in store. Since I'm giving our kids' playroom a complete makeover and creating a custom kids' play market, I wanted high-quality pieces that are durable but also look beautiful and are functional. First, for the focal point and imaginative play zone, you all might remember this amazing house bunk bed that we've had for a while. We're keeping it in this space by adding some fresh updates to it. It's still such a favorite with its playhouse roof, built-in window box, and interactive front door. The safety guardrails and sturdy ladder always gives me peace of mind, and the best part is that you can find it right on Lowe's website if you want to create a similar look for your little ones. To make the house bed look extra cozy and inviting for this refresh, I paired it with this crushed velvet Sherpa comforter set. It's incredibly soft, feels luxurious, and gives the whole bed setup a fluffy, high-end look that my children really enjoy having. To give this space a cozier feel, I wanted to incorporate fresh, vibrant elements that mimic a real outdoor boutique. I found this beautiful Allen & Roth plastic planter to serve as a decorative floral base to place here in this corner. Right inside it, I placed this stunning 7-foot pink cherry blossom tree. The handmade faux silk flower petals look and feel amazing. It's UV protected, which is a plus because I can place it in front of the window or in my backyard. To tie this whole store theme and playroom together beautifully, I laid down this stunning rug I also found with Lowe's. It adds a beautiful modern farmhouse charm, feels wonderfully soft underfoot, and the absolute best part is that it's fully machine washable for a high traffic kid zone. Now for the actual architecture of the Play Market storefront itself, I got a little creative with storage solutions. I used 2 of the closet-made large 8-cube organizers, turned them on their sides along with 2 of the Allen & Roth 3-shelf bookcases. I use these versatile units to convert the space into sections for the market, allowing me to easily stock up our inventory for fresh play groceries, faux produce, organizing toys, and other items. They make perfect supermarket shelves and for storage because they're incredibly sturdy, easy for little hands to reach, and keep all the play food beautifully organized. This setup truly helped to create a highly functional store layout. To complete the ultimate playtown experience right next to our brand new market, I also added this gorgeous kids wooden dollhouse. It features interactive double-sided roofs, openable doors, and comes packed with rich furniture pieces that keep our children happily entertained. It integrates beautifully with our overall playroom layout and provides endless creative storytelling opportunities for them every single day. To add an extra touch to it all, you will see later on I added LED lights to highlight items. I also placed string lights around the bed to make the room even more exciting to be in. These are just some of the items I was able to find with Lowe's, and more through their vast and available options online that I never knew they offered. By using Lowe's online or the mobile app, items can be picked up directly from your local Lowe's for convenience. I find it also so amazing how in-stock items can be delivered to your house same day if ordered by 2 p.m. If you would like to learn more about what I've shared today and to shop for your own home project or a loved one, you can scan the QR code on this screen or visit the links to all of these items in my description box below for easy access. Thank you, Lowe's, for providing so many amazing items at affordable prices to help everyone with their unique space. Now let's get back to giving this room a makeover. I want to thank everyone who watched my video to the end. I hope you're inspired by this playroom transformation and organization to create your own custom kids playroom market, toy storage, and house bed setup. I'm so happy with how the space turned out and even more excited that our children can have a space of their own to get creative, imagine, play, and have fun. I'd be delighted to hear your favorite part of today's makeover by leaving me a comment below. Don't forget to check out the amazing Lowe's items I used to build this beautiful space. I will leave all the direct links in my description box below for easy access. If you missed my latest room transformations, I'll leave those on the screen for you to watch next. I look forward to talking to you on my next video. Take care.